Brother Paulino Bungkaras, and I am a member of the Society of the Divine Word. As a brother, ako po ay teacher ng University of San Carlos, and then by choice, nagiging outreach worker since the early 70s. What I have been reading is that number 1 yata Cebu in the Philippines in terms of getting the virus through the sharing of the needles. There are people who are taking drugs and gumagamit ng sirens dahil yung virus nandiyan na sa sirens, tapos sinishare nila sa iba. Pag sinishare na sa iba yung virus na may naiwan doon sa sirens, pag share na sa iba, papasok na yon. It is important to start with friendship, and friendship makuha mo lang yon sa pag-outreach sa iba-ibang lugar. Malaki ang impact pag kilala ka ng mga tao. Kung kilala ka ng sex worker, kung kilala ka ng drug users, kung kilala po kayo ng persons living with HIV. So hindi ko dinadala dito. Ako ang pumunta sa kanila. Kasi if you focus on those living with HIV, mahirap i-share yun. But kung close na kayo, sasabihin na yan sa inyo. Siguro ang main contribution dyan sa outreach is building the trust. Hindi yun by 1 meeting or 2 meetings, pwede ko sabihin na lifetime.
I was infected at a very young age. I was infected at the age of 18. I'm already 27, so that means to say it's almost 10 years that I've been living with HIV. It was emotionally draining, it was physically draining because I was having a lot of infections. It was never easy. Stigma and discrimination was really, really high. I lost a lot of friends, and they usually tell my other friends that, hey, get away from Gerson because he's HIV positive. Cebu is still one of the top 3 cities that is tremendously increasing in terms of HIV cases. More than 75% of our cases here in Cebu is coming from injecting drug users. And the other percentage is coming from men having sex with men and transgenders. Since the number of drug users is tremendously increasing, we've also been seeing a lot of women infected with HIV. Some of them are injecting drug users themselves. Some of them are partner of injecting drug users who doesn't have any risk at all. Because we started Cebu Plus way back 2009, it started with people living with HIV. So we were fortunate enough that Asila de la Milagrosa supported us with this place na people living with HIV can stay here for free with no cost at all. They go to the treatment hub or they go to Vicente Soto for medical assistance, and at the same time, may mauuwian sila. So I was just very lucky. I had that positive outlook that, you know, I don't take it against these people who discriminated me being HIV positive, but I took it as a challenge to provide them the right information to finally end stigma and discrimination.
Parang advocacy ko na rin na sana ganun din ang gagawin natin, hindi tayo matatakot sa persons with HIV, even if nasa tabi natin. And then the principle that we are using is observe without judging, just being there. So, in one word, acceptance. Acceptance.